What's up, everybody? Here Ivan. I'm gonna make this video on how you can create your own software from any platform that you would like on social media, like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube, Craigslist. There's a lot of stuff. You can create your own software. Just gotta have an idea of how you want it. And this is the website. If you want to create a professional software, just go right here on this website. What a lot of gurus from JVZoo are doing. Upwork.com. So you want to create, let's say you want to create an Instagram. That's what I was thinking about, making creating a Instagram IG software. Since I don't have a lot of followers right now, I haven't found a good software that I've been getting. That I haven't been happy with. I had one, but it didn't work out. My account got suspended or something, so I say no. But I'm thinking about IG one. I was gonna do one for Facebook since I've been using a lot of software from Facebook. I already know a lot of tricks, but no, since right now it's kind of hard right now to make a software right now on Facebook of the changes, the algorithm, and everything. Like Mark Zuckerberg right now is getting very rough on software right now, so I'm not gonna mess with that right now. But IG, maybe IG and Instagram. I'm thinking about IG, Instagram, a good one. But yeah, this is how a lot of owners from JVZoo do it. They hire people from this side. Like this one. This software, I don't even know it's a software. I think it's a software. It says Traffic Takeover. I think this guy makes a lot of softwares. He might do a video training course, but I'm not sure. But mostly, all the softwares come from this side, from JVZoo. So yeah, if you wanna create your own software on JVZoo, if you wanna promote on JVZoo, it will be awesome. That's what I'm trying to. I might do it next month, but I don't know. I'm kind of busy right now, so I'm thinking about it. They charge like $350 to make a good software right here on the side, freelancers. But you gotta hire someone from Indian and Pakistan. They charge you very cheap, and they're pretty good on creating a software, to tell the truth. I had one friend that used to do from Pakistan, and he used to do it fast. He knew a lot about coding, but I don't know what happened to him. I think I lost contact with him, but I'm gonna start looking for him. He was telling me we were gonna create a software, but those times I think it was like 3-4 years ago. I don't even remember. But he was saying, hey, to give him ideas so he can create a software, and we could go half and half. Because he was seeing me a lot posting on Facebook. So he was telling me, but I wasn't really. I don't know. I was busy doing other stuff. So yeah, this is how you do it right here. Just gotta post right here. Post a job, and you gotta tell them, hey, I want this software like this. There's a lot of software creators right here. Just make an account and just tell them, hey, I want a Twitter software like this and this. You gotta explain them that you have an idea how you want and everything. So you just gotta work out. You gotta have a lot of communication, so he can make it like you want it. But usually it costs like if you want a good software, 350 or 500, a good one that works. But if you want a cheap software, you can make it at least with 100. But no, it's very. I will pay more, to tell the truth, because if it doesn't work, or if you want to promote it, or you want to give it to your team, you want to promote it on JVZoo. There's a lot of beta testing involved. You gotta test it with a lot of people if it works. Cause on JVZoo, if you put on JVZoo, you want to make a lot of money. That's how all these people, vendors, do it. They hire a lot of people that know about softwares to beta test, like 100. If it works, awesome. They sell it. They start selling it. But if it doesn't work, they don't even try it, because they know their reputation will go down. But yeah, that's what a lot of JVZoo vendors do it, to tell the truth. It's just telling what I've been seeing online. I'm an affiliate on JVZoo. But yeah, I might be a vendor too, but it's a lot of steps involved that I don't have time. But I might do it next month, or maybe the next June, or maybe June or July. I'm not really into it. But yeah, I might try just how it works, how everything works out. But if not, cool. But just gonna give you this info. If you wanna try it yourself, just go right here. I'm gonna make a video on what to put on the post, how to post your how to post how you want the software and everything. But yeah, this JVZoo people, they just want it on the download, so people will know that a lot of people think that they're creators and everything. They invest a lot of money or something, but nah, it's very cheap to make a software, to tell the truth. But yeah, if you're interested on this, go ahead, try it. If it works out, let me know. If it doesn't work out, let me know. But yeah, I might try it maybe June. By June, I might not be that busy. But yeah. So this is a tip that I already gave you. So take advantage. Thanks for watching the video again, and let's be in contact. All right, cool.